Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today's a very, very special day. It is Back to the Future 2 day. Yes, today is October 21st, 2020. 5 years post the day that Emmett Brown and Marty McFly went to the future in Back to the Future Part 2. So let's commemorate this day by opening up the brand new Back to the Future Advent Calendar by Playmobil. This is exactly what I asked for when we unboxed Beauty right here. We opened up the DeLorean. I opened this up, I think over the summer. I can't quite remember when. And this is the 1955 playset. This is everything that came with the original DeLorean build. Got Einstein, Dr. Emmett Brown. We have Marty with the camcorder, the box of plutonium, his skateboard. In my video, I asked if they could make Biff Tannen, Jennifer, and they totally did. And not only did they do that, they created the clock tower. Yes, super excited. So please, if you love Back to the Future like me, and you like these kind of videos and you're a collector, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, follow me on Instagram at play.live.repeat, TikTok at Toy Mom. I'm also on Facebook and on Twitter. Let's get started. So we have 1985 and 1955. We also have the box turning into the clock tower. My most favorite part is the fact that they actually included the cable that had to connect with the DeLorean. So we actually have this part. So everything was totally planned out. They have a lenticular of the photo with his siblings. That is so cool. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, we have the whole setup. We have the clock tower and some instructions of how to put it together. The actual road that the DeLorean burns up. And here is the actual clock tower with those columns and the steps. So there's just a lot of detail here. And for a big fan of Back to the Future, you guys are gonna love this. It's perfect for holiday. It is an advent calendar, of course, so definitely count down to Christmas or any other holiday or any other countdown you want with it, or just unbox it like I'm doing now because I'm obsessed. I asked for this, and it's like the Playmobil gods like heard me. It's so amazing. So let's get this built, and we're going to start opening up, and we're going to start with day 1, of course, and work our way up to day 24. I bought this off the Playmobil US website for $34.99. And I think it was a really, really great deal considering what you get. You get a lot of bang for your buck. So I'm really, really happy with my purchase so far, even though I just started just building this. I'm really happy. So every single day that we're counting down to Christmas or any other holiday you want to count down to is going to include a different element of that scene when they're sending Marty back to the future. So let's open up box number 1, and I'm just going to run through it, and that's it. List thing ever. So thank you so much to Playmobil for just pulling at our nostalgic heartstrings. Like, this is just too good. It's just too good. Okay, box number 1. McFly. We have Marty McFly as day number 1. He has his signature shirt. I just love that lined print shirt. He looks super cool, and I'm so glad that he's already built. I can't deal with any more building. 2, where are you? Right here. Let's see what's inside of it. Okay, we have the guitar from the Enchantment Under the Sea dance along with his cufflinks, or his little like cuffs. Let's get this out. And I'm pretty sure this is the guitar that he broke in that scene when he just went buck wild and started like breaking the guitar. I love that little touch that they did. I think that's really super cool. As you progress each day, you're going to have to follow the instructions because it's going to give you elements, like I said, to the day that they went back to 1985. Day number 3 is pretty big. Let's see who's in it. Looks like we got the speaker from the Enchantment Under the Sea dance. We could have him push it over, or kick it over rather. We have everything here, even the Hill Valley Telegraph article showing that the Brown Mansion had been destroyed. Crazy, right? Okay, that's day number 3. Let's go to day number 4. This is what's going to conduct that electricity from the lightning bolts, and it's going to connect to this cable over here. So now that's inserted inside of the top of the clock tower. Let's move on to day number 5. Here are beautiful lampposts for the front of the building. You're gonna put these little pegs underneath the stairs Well, not underneath the stairs, underneath like the banister of the stairs. Both lampposts are in. Now let's move on to day number 6. What do we have here? Looks like we have Jennifer Parker. I wonder if it's the original one. Do you think we'll be able to tell? Oh boy. Look at those cheeks. I love the detail though. We have the pink jacket. We have that amazing vest, beautiful floral print shirt, and her pink top. From head to toe, even to the little gray booties. Got Jennifer written all over. Looks so good. So for day number 7. Okay, we have Jennifer's purse. Day number 8. Sweet. We have the bench. This is so cool. Adorable. Moving along here, day 9. OMG, it looks like we have the backpack. And look, we even have the Save the Clock Tower pamphlet. How cool is that? This is Marty's backpack. That was on day 8. And we also have the Save the Clock Tower thing that was handed out, you know, to save the clock tower. And on the back, Jennifer wrote her number and I love you. And the great part is that if you don't have the 1955 figure set, which is a 2-pack figure set, which I also unboxed on our channel, you can actually get everything that you need in here. So that's a plus. So you just need to get the DeLorean. Now we're moving to double digits. Where are you? Day 10. There he is. Looks so good. Is that helmet in there? Maybe it's day 11. Let's see if he's in there. Day 11, the helmet that he needs to wear. Yep, there it is. Looks so good. For 12. Halfway there. Okay, I think I'm seeing some plutonium. Watches, his tool bag, and his plutonium. This is the same Doc Brown that you're going to get in the DeLorean playset, but the hair is a little bit different to accommodate the helmet. Same outfit, different hairline. Day number 13. So we have a double-sided sign. It's supposed to say Lone Pine Hill on one and Twin Pines Mall on the other. I'm not finding the stickers for these, so I'm going to just keep going and hopefully they'll turn up. Let's move on to day number 14. Boy, here's the camcorder. No way. So we got the video camera and we have the license plate that flies off. In the actual DeLorean build, this is just a sticker. So it's really nice to have the actual license plate that says it. That is really cool. I can't remember actually when this flew off, if it was 1985 or if it was when he went back to 1985. I can't remember. I haven't watched the movie in a while. Let's keep moving. Oh wait, look what I found in day number 13. What a nice touch this is. We have the electronic sign for Twin Pines Mall at 1:16 a.m. How awesome is that? Then when you flip it over, it says Lone Pine Mall 1:34 a.m. That's when just like the time got all wonky and they were no longer a Twin Pines city. They were only Lone Pine. Number 15. Here's Marty dressed up in his gear to help Doc Brown with his experiment. Day 16. There it is. Looking good. Pretty radical for sure. Day 17. Oh, how cute is that? That is so cute. We have the comic book. That is so cool. Here's the comic book. There is the hairdryer. And I think this is the Walkman. Can't quite remember. That is so awesome. That was in 17. Let's look at day 18. I know we have Biff, but do we have George McFly? Let's check it out. Oh, I think this is Biff. There he is. There's Biff Tannen. I asked for him and I got him. How cool is that? Wow, I'm just like blown away by this whole thing. Okay, now that was day 18, right? Okay, now we're on day 19. Oh boy, I think this is the Enchantment Under the Sea dance. Saturday Night Dance, Enchantment Under the Sea, Be There or Be Square. That is some cool sign. Day number 20. Awesome. We have the skateboard that Marty took from the little boy. The little boy had it as like a little scooter, and he ripped off the rod or whatever, the handle, and he returned it as a skateboard. Looks really cool. Okay, now we're winding down. We need day 21 right there in front of me. There you go. Day 22, 2 ducks in the pond. Let's do this. Do not want to see. Okay, we have the lightning bolt and we have the cord. Let's just put that to the side for now. 23. It's a letter that Marty wrote Doc Brown. That is so awesome. Oh my gosh. I can't help but have this song stuck in my head. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if we could read it. It says, Dear Doc Brown, on the night I go back in time at 1:30 a.m., you will be shot by terrorists. Back. Then we also have Doc's gloves. Okay, that was second to last day. Now the final day, 24. And there he is. Here's Dr. Emmett Brown, the 1955 version. Now, if you could check out the 1955 playset version, well, the figure pack, his jacket's shorter, and in this one, his jacket is longer. So this one is more movie realistic compared to this one. But the cool part is the fact they included the letter from Marty to Doc. So I saved the best for last, obviously. You connect the lightning bolt to the top of the clock tower, then run the cable along down. There is that pesky outlet right there, that plug right there. And it goes up the light post and across the cable. Now we're gonna put Marty into the DeLorean and he can do all of his checks like flux capacitor fluxing. Let's put him in. So it seems that his siblings are still not in the photo. Let's get him back to 1985, shall we? So he can save the future. Let's go back. Did we do it? I think we did. By the looks of those tire marks that are on fire, I think we sent Marty back in time. And uh-oh, poor Doc fell over. Doc did read the letter. Don't worry, he's gonna be fine. Overall, this set I think is amazing. It is the perfect countdown to Christmas. Honestly, I love it. I love the fact that we have continued this story and it actually opens up the opportunity to create more Back to the Future themed play sets. We still need George McFly now. We need his mom, Lorraine. And those are the only two characters that I really want to see. And I think it would be amazing to have this as the build also. Like, come on. Or even like the diner from Back to the Future Part 2. Okay, let's check and see if his siblings are back. Oh, they're back. So he made it back safely. We did it. We got Marty back to... Guys, thank you so much for celebrating Back to the Future 2 Day with me. Even though this celebrates Back to the Future Part 1, but whatever. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. And I want to thank Playmobil for doing this, for creating this advent calendar. Is really awesome. And I also want to thank them for sending me the DeLorean that I already unboxed in a previous video and the 1955 playset. I'm a huge fan of Playmobil and I'm so happy to have found this. You can find this on Playmobil's website right now for $34.99 with free shipping. So jump on it, get it now. Don't buy it from Amazon unless it is $34.99. I saw a couple of them already being sold way marked up. Don't do it. Buy it from Playmobil. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.